What's up guys? Welcome to another DEATHbX video. Today we're going to be replacing and upgrading our OEM stock clear side markers here. And we're going to be upgrading to these nice murdered out amber LED side markers. I think this is a cool little nice upgrade that you can do to your box. And installation on these shouldn't be too difficult. I believe all we really need to use are strong fingers to kind of pull and pry, and it should pop right off. But before we get started with today's video, please do me a favor guys, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you don't miss out on any of my next DEATHbX videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Alright, so let's start on the passenger side. So I think you have to kind of pull towards the front of the car and then pull it. Yeah. There you go. That's how you do it. When it's in, there's the front of your car. Just pull that way and then kind of pull it out. Not too difficult, pretty easy. And then of course we have a harness here that we have to unclip. Kind of squeeze on this clip. There you go. Alright, and with these, that's all you gotta do. Just clip them in. Should be that easy. I'm struggling with one hand, y'all. There we go. Alright. And then when you put them in, I would put the part that's facing the front in first, and then boom, that's it. So we have one side down, let's do the other side. Alright. There you go. Get the front side in. And there you go. Let's see how these look. Very nice, very nice. A nice, quick, easy, and simple upgrade. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do me a favor. I'll see you in the next DEATHbX video.